The information provided by Crypto Daily Sun and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Crypto Daily Sun is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Crypto Daily Sun and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome back to our cryptocurrency series. In this segment, we're going to tackle one of the most crucial aspects of protecting your digital assets, securing your investments. As the value of cryptocurrencies continues to rise, ensuring the safety of your holdings becomes increasingly important. Let's dive into how you can effectively safeguard your crypto assets. Use a wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. One of the first steps in securing your investments is to use a reliable wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is essential for storing your digital assets safely. There are two main types of wallets you should consider: hardware wallets and software wallets. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices designed to keep your cryptocurrencies offline, making them less vulnerable to online threats. Popular options include Ledger and Trezor. These devices store your private keys, essentially the password to your crypto assets, on the hardware itself. Because the keys are kept offline, they are protected from hacking attempts and malware. When you need to make a transaction, you connect the hardware wallet to your computer or smartphone temporarily. This added layer of security makes hardware wallets one of the safest options for long-term storage. Software wallets. Software wallets, on the other hand, are applications that you install on your computer or smartphone. They are more convenient for frequent transactions and accessing your crypto assets quickly. While software wallets are more vulnerable to online threats compared to hardware wallets, choosing a reputable and well-reviewed software wallet can still provide a decent level of security. Ensure that you download your wallet from a trusted source and that it offers robust encryption and security features. Back up your wallet. Securing your investments isn't just about choosing the right wallet, it also involves maintaining regular backups. Backing up your wallet ensures that you can recover your assets in case of device failure, loss, or theft. When you first set up your wallet, you'll be provided with a recovery phrase or seed phrase. This sequence of words is crucial for restoring your wallet if you ever lose access to it. Create multiple backups. Store your recovery phrase in multiple secure locations. Avoid keeping it in a single place that could be easily compromised. For example, you might write it down and store it in a safe deposit box, a home safe, or another secure location. The idea is to protect it from physical damage, theft, or loss. Keep private keys safe. Your private keys are the keys to your crypto kingdom. Treat them with the utmost care. Never share your private keys with anyone. Anyone who has access to your private keys can access your cryptocurrencies, so keep them strictly confidential. If you're using a hardware wallet, ensure that the device itself is kept in a secure place. For software wallets, use strong passwords and encryption to protect your private keys. Be wary of scams and phishing attacks. The cryptocurrency space is rife with scams and phishing attempts. Always be cautious when dealing with requests for your private keys or recovery phrases. Scammers often use phishing emails or fake websites to trick you into divulging sensitive information. Be skeptical of unsolicited communications and verify the authenticity of any requests before responding. Regularly update security practices. Security isn't a one-time setup, it's an ongoing process. Regularly review and update your security practices to stay ahead of potential threats. This includes keeping your wallet software up to date with the latest security patches, monitoring your accounts for suspicious activity, and staying informed about the latest security practices in the cryptocurrency world. In summary, securing your cryptocurrency investments involves using a reliable wallet, backing up your wallet regularly, keeping your private keys safe, and staying vigilant against scams and phishing attacks. By taking these steps, you can protect your digital assets and ensure that your investments remain safe from theft and loss. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrencies, prevention is always better than cure. So, take action now to secure your investments and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your assets are protected. Your future self will thank you for the precautions you took today.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.